All right, in this video, we're going to look at some solutions to patterning in algebra, and this is from your diagnostic at the start of the year. Okay, there's lots of ways to solve all of these problems. I'm just going to show you one way that you can go to if you're stuck on a problem, okay? But remember, there's always lots of ways to solve these. Okay, first question says x plus 7 is equal to 63. So I need two numbers that are the same, plus 7 give me 63. One way to do this is I can bring my like terms together. And so x and x, that's going to give me 2x's plus 7 have to equal 63. Now if I look at this, I know that 2x's plus 7 equals 63. I can move the 7 to the other side, and I know that 2x's must be equal to 63 minus 7. That means 2x's have to be 56. And so 2 times something gives me 56. That means that x must be 56 divided by 2, which is 28. The question says to verify my solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back into here, and I'm going to verify. All right, so I'm going to take 28 plus 28, because it was x plus x, plus 7. That's going to give me 56 plus 7, and that's going to give me 63. So I've verified because I know that my left side here is equal to my right side here. Okay, so now I've double-checked my solution. All right, next one over here. This one says 39 is equal to 3x's plus 12. So again, something times 3 plus 12 gives me 39. One way to do this is I can do a guess and check, or I can work backwards through this. I'm going to work backwards. So here, the opposite of adding 12 is to subtract 12. So I'm going to take 39 minus 12 must be equal to 3x's. All right, so that means that I've got 27 must be equal to 3x. All right, over here, I know I'm multiplying by 3, so I do the opposite. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. So I'm going to take 27 divided by 3, and that must be x. All right, and that means that 9 must be x. Okay, I'm going to verify this solution as well. So on the side here, I'm going to verify. And so what this means is I'm going to take 3 times something plus 12. We think that something's 9. So we can put that in. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 12. And that's going to be equal to 27 plus 12 is 39. And that's exactly what we were looking for. So we found the number, so x must actually be 9. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So this one's more of an application question. It says a pizza costs $3.50 plus $1.75 for every topping. All right. So when I look at that, I know that it's going to be $1.75 for every topping. I'm getting 5 of those. So $1.75 times 5. Now, don't forget, you've got to add the price of the pizza in there. So I'm going to do plus $3.50. And so I'm going to calculate that. So $1.75 times 5 is equal to $8.75, and I'm going to add $3.50. That's going to give me $12.25 on there. Okay. Okay, so I found the cost with 5 toppings. All right, the next question over here says the total cost is $24.50, and I want to know how many toppings I have. All right, so know that my cost is always going to be $1.75 times the number of toppings, so I'll call that n, plus $3.50. And I know that my cost is $24.50. So $24.50 is equal to $1.75 times n plus $3.50. Okay. I can guess and check at this, so I could guess for numbers. What I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to work backwards again like I did in the previous questions. So with this, I'm going to say I'm adding $3.50, so I'm going to take that away first. So that's the cost of the pizza, I'll take that away. So $24.50 minus $3.50 must give me the cost of the pizza toppings. All right, and that's going to give me $21. And that's equal to $1.75 times n. All right, here I'm multiplying by $1.75, so I do the opposite, which is to divide. So I take $21 divided by $1.75, and that should give me n. And in this case, if I take $21 divided by 1.75, that's going to give me 12. So that's equal to 12, and that is equal to n. And that is my final solution there. Again, I'm going to check this, so I'm going to verify at the end. And so here, I know that $1.75 times 12 plus $3.50, that would be the cost of my pizza. Well, I'm going to take $1.75 times 12. So $1.75 times 12, that gives me $21 plus $3.50. And at the end of the day, I get $24.50. And that's exactly the answer that we were hoping for from here, because we knew it had to cost 450. All right. Remember, there's lots of different ways you can solve problems like these, so don't stop at just one way. You always want to look at other solutions that you can use in order to solve these, okay? But if you're stuck, these are one way.